everyone, welcome to JE Max JE Advanced Mains Extreme Series. Welcome to Season 2. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, in Season 2, we are completely concentrating on a particular topic. In that aspect, we are concentrating on the complex numbers because it is the most important topic for all competitive examination, especially for JE Mains and Advanced. Again, I'm requesting please don't forget to check the description, and this is about lesson number 7 of complex numbers. So far we have successfully completed lesson number 6 of complex numbers, and from this lesson onwards we are concentrating on the problems. These are the first phase of problems. Here through this video I am concentrating all the problems given in your integrated textbook. That means Sri Chaitanya's integrated textbook, because if you are first to master that textbook, that knowledge may give you for solving other standards of the problems, especially in complex numbers. So stepwise, I am first concentrating on exercise problems of your icon integrated textbook for those who are aspirants for JEE Mains and Advanced. This is very, very important. Once after completion of this one, you will get complete idea on complex number. There we will concentrate on the objective versions also. Okay. Anyhow, this is about lesson number 7. Again, I am requesting please don't forget to check the description, and there I am providing very good assignments, question papers for you. Okay, my friend, this is about lesson number 7. In lesson number 7, as I mentioned, in our integrated textbook, icon integrated textbook of Sri Chaitanya, in exercise 4.1, here in this video, we completed and concentrated on problems from first problem 1 to second problem 1 to 8, third problem 1 to. Total, we are concentrating minimum 12 to 11 to 12 problems. Okay, of that, see, exercise 4.1, this is problem number 1. What is this? Simplify. I power 18, first problem is I power 18 minus 3 I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26. This is the question. So I power 18 means this I can write it as I square whole power 9 minus 3. This I can write it as I square whole cube into I plus this is I square into 1 plus this is I square whole square into this is minus I whole square whole power 13 I can write. I square means minus 1, so minus 1 whole power 9 minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube into I minus I square means minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 whole square into this is minus I whole square is I square, that is minus 1 whole power 30. This is minus 1 whole power 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, minus into minus plus 3i, it is 3i. This is I square is equal to 1, 1 square is equal, minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 2 into minus 1, this is minus 2 plus 2. So totally after simplification it becomes 1 plus 3i. So this is the answer, 1 plus 3i. Clear? Now coming to the second problem. What is second problem? Root to minus 9 into root to minus 4 plus root to 2 into root to minus 8. Root to minus 9 means this is I root 3, because root minus 9 means root minus 1 into root 3. And this is I root 2, I 2i, not I root 3, this is a 3i. This is a 3i into 2i into 2i, because root minus 1, I means root minus 1. I means root minus 1. Plus this is root 2 into this is 2 root 2. Root 8 is 2 root 2i. So this is 6i square, and this is root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4i. So this is minus 6 plus 4i. So this is the answer. So this is about problem number 1. Now coming to problem number 2, express everything in the form of a plus ib. Of that, the first question is a plus ib by a minus ib. You rationalize this. That means multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the complex number of denominator. So a minus ib into a plus ib. So numerator is a plus ib whole square, and denominator is it is just like z bar, that is mod z whole square, that is a square plus b square. Numerator is a square minus b square plus 2iab by a square plus b square. You separate it. So a square minus b square by a square plus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square. This is in the form of what? A plus ib. So after simplification, you convert everything in this form, you will get the idea. You will get the required answer. Now coming to the second question. What is about second question? 4 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i. 4 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i. See here. Second question is 4 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i. As I said just now, 4 minus 2i into, this is 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i into 1 plus 2i. That is, multiply numerator 4 plus 8i minus 2i minus 2i square, that is numerator. Denominator is 1 plus 4. So this is I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 6i by 5. So this after simplification, sorry, here it is I square is plus, this is 4i square, sorry. That means 8. So 8 by 5 plus 6 by 5i. You get the answer. Only thing is just you rationalize. These are all points that we have covered in our previous videos. You just follow them. Otherwise, I am providing the links for you through this video. You please check the description. There I am providing the links of our previous videos on complex numbers. Now next one is 5 minus 3i whole cube. This is what? In the form of a minus ib whole cube. A minus b whole cube. A cube, that is 5 cube. A cube. Minus 3a square b. Minus 3a square means 25 into b 3i. Plus 3a b square. 3a b square. That means 9i square. Minus b cube. Minus b cube means 27i cube. This is 125. And this is 125 into 3. 125 into 3. 3 5s 15. 3 2s are 7. 3 2s are 6 into 1, 7. 175. 3 1s are 3. 375. 375i. And this is I square is minus 1. So minus 15 9s. 15 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9. 30. 135. 135i. And this is I cube means I square into i. That is plus 27i. Simplify this. You will get answer as minus 10 minus 198i. So these are all of the elementary questions. Okay. Now coming to problem number 2. Next problem. 1 minus I whole cube into 1 plus I. Can you solve? Can you solve? Can you proceed to the same thing? Similarly, even fifth problem also. Root minus 3 plus root minus 2. What is root minus 3? Root minus 3 plus root minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Don't get any confusion. This is minus root 3. This is plus I root 2. And this is 2 root 3 minus I. Multiply this. This is minus 2 3s are 6. And this is plus I root 3. And this is what? Plus I 2I root 6. And this is what? I into I square plus root 2. After simplification, you will get this as what? Minus 6 plus root 2 plus I into root 3 plus 2 root 6. This we get it. Clear? And similarly, how to solve fourth problem? Take LCM. Directly, you can take LCM, you will get the result. How to get it? That is 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i plus 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i. Take LCM. That means directly you can multiply 4 plus 2i, or you can do rationalize first term just like in our previous model, and similarly the second term, and then add. Choice left to you. Or better, that is better actually. Okay, so I do one thing. This I can write it as 4 plus 2y into 1 plus 2y by 1 minus 2y into 1 plus 2y plus 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i by 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. This is equal to numerator 4 plus 8i plus 2y minus 4 by 1 plus 4 plus again 6 minus 9i plus 8i plus 12, because that is minus 12 I square is minus 1, that is 12, and denominator is 4 plus 9. So it is what? 4 gets cancelled. 10i by 5 plus, here it is 6 plus 12, 18 minus I by 13. So this is 2i plus 18 minus I by 13. You simplify this, you will get the answer. See, on the same lines, you can solve this seventh problem. And 1 plus 2i whole cube, they asked in board examination in March 2017 and 2018. Already I told what is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You apply the formula, you will get that one. Okay. Such a simple problem that they are asking even for board examination. If you are good at simplification, then only you can get the answer. Please don't underestimate and neglect these problems. They are useful. Now coming to third problem. Z1 is 6 comma 3 is given for you. What does it mean? This is ordered pair form. Alias 6 plus 3i is given for you. Similarly, Z2 is what? Ordered pair 2 comma minus 1 is given for you. This is nothing but 2 minus I. So what they want? Z1 by Z2. That means what? 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I. What to do? Rationalize. That means multiply both numerator and denominator with its conjugate. That is 12 plus 6i plus 6i minus plus 3i squared by 4 plus 1. That means after simplification, I square is minus 1. So minus 3. 12 minus 3. That means 9 plus 12i by 5. After simplification, 9 by 5 plus 12 by 5i. This is the question. Or in the ordered pair form, I can write this as 9 by 5 comma 12 by 5. Both are same. Clear? This is about what? Third first problem. Now coming to third second problem. Here in third second problem, read the question properly. 4x plus I into 3x minus y equal to 3 minus 6i. Find x and y, where x and y are what? Real numbers that they have given. So here equating the complex numbers. How to equate? Equate real part and imaginary part. So 4x is equal to 3 and 3x minus y equal to minus 6. So from this, x is equal to what? 3 by 4. You substitute this value here. So 3 into 3 by 4 minus y equal to minus 6. So y equal to 9 by 4 plus 6. 9 by 4 plus 6. That means 9 plus 24 by 4. That is 33 by 4. So my x is 3 by 4, y is 33 by 4. That's all. I think these are all are the basic elementary operations and applications of basic operations on complex numbers. Hope you like this video. You please share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You will get the complete notifications for next videos also. Again, I am repeating, please check the description and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and we will meet with the next video soon. Thank you.